What if you could start with $0 and build a $10,000 a month passive income stream? No investment, no prior experience, and, most importantly, no trading your time for money forever. Sounds impossible? It's not. In fact, thousands of people are already doing this. And by the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step plan to do the same. But before we dive in, here's a harsh truth. Most people fail at passive income, not because they're lazy or unlucky, but because they start the wrong way. They choose the wrong business model, get discouraged when they don't see instant results, and give up too soon. In this challenge, we'll avoid those mistakes by following a proven, beginner-friendly blueprint that actually works. We'll start with zero capital, automate the process, and scale it up to $10,000 per month with minimal effort. Let's get started. Why most people fail at passive income. You've probably seen videos and blog posts claiming you can make millions overnight with passive income. But here's the reality. Passive income isn't truly passive at first. The biggest reason people fail is that they expect instant results. They set up an online store, start a blog, or promote affiliate links. And when they don't make money in a week, they quit. Here's what successful people do differently. They choose the right business model, something simple, scalable, and easy to automate. They put in the initial work to set things up properly. They use smart automation tools so their business runs on autopilot. If you treat passive income like a real business, even if it's a side hustle, you'll eventually reach a point where you're earning money while you sleep. And that's exactly what we're going to do in this challenge. The perfect strategy for beginners. Now, you might be wondering, what's the best way to start making passive income? Instead of overwhelming you with hundreds of options, I'm going to give you a clear, simple strategy that works. Step 1. Pick a business model that requires no upfront investment. You don't need thousands of dollars to start a business. Instead, we'll focus on business models that are 100% free to start. Things that only require your time and effort in the beginning. Step 2. Automate the process so it runs without you. Most people get stuck trading time for money. The key to passive income is leveraging automation so that your income grows, even when you're not actively working. Step 3. Scale it to $10K per month. Once you start making money, the next step is scaling up. This means reinvesting profits, expanding your reach, and optimizing your systems to maximize earnings without extra effort. So, what are the best zero-cost passive income models to start with? Let's break them down. Selecting your passive income model. Not all passive income models are created equal. Some take years before they make money. Others start generating cash flow in weeks. For this challenge, we'll focus on fast, low-cost, and scalable models that you can start right now with no experience. 1. AI-driven print-on-demand, the ultimate set-and-forget income stream. Print-on-demand, POD, is one of the easiest ways to make money online, without any inventory, shipping, or customer service. Here's how it works. 1. You create a simple design, or use AI to generate one. 2. You upload it to platforms like Redbubble, Etsy, or Teespring. 3. When someone buys, the supplier prints and ships the product for you. 4. You collect the profit without ever touching a product. Why is this so powerful? Because you only create the design once, but you can sell it forever. And the best part? AI tools like Midjourney, Canva AI, and Leonardo AI allow you to generate unique, high-quality designs in seconds. You don't even need to be a designer. Just type in a prompt, download the AI-generated image, and upload it to your store. 2. Affiliate marketing. Earning commissions without selling anything. Affiliate marketing is one of the most beginner-friendly passive income models. Why? Because you don't need to create a product, handle inventory, or deal with customers. Instead, you simply promote someone else's product. And when someone buys through your link, you get paid. Find a product or service you love, and that people actually need. 2. Get a unique affiliate link from companies like Amazon, Shopify, or Jasper AI. 3. Share that link through a blog, social media, or even simple email marketing. 4. When someone clicks and buys, you earn a commission. Why is this so powerful? Because once your links are out there, they keep making money for you, without any extra effort. 3. Selling digital products, the ultimate passive money machine. If you're looking for a highly scalable, low-maintenance way to make passive income, selling digital products is the perfect strategy. Why? No production costs. Unlike physical products, there are zero manufacturing or shipping fees. No inventory needed. You don't have to worry about stocking or running out of products. 100% profit margins. Once created, digital products can be sold an unlimited number of times. Fully automated. You can set up a store that runs on autopilot, selling products while you sleep. So, what digital products can you sell? Here are some profitable ideas. 1. Ebooks and guides. Ebooks are one of the fastest digital products to create, and they can be incredibly profitable. AI tools like ChatGPT can help you generate content in minutes, while platforms like Canva let you design professional-looking PDFs. You can sell them on Amazon Kindle, Gumroad, or your own website. 2. Notion and Excel templates. People are willing to pay for pre-designed templates that make their lives easier. For example, budgeting spreadsheets, perfect for personal finance tracking. Business dashboards, helps entrepreneurs manage their workflow. Productivity planners. People love tools that help them stay organized. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Selfie are perfect for selling these templates. 3. Stock photos and AI-generated art. You don't need a camera to sell stock images. With AI tools like Midjourney or DALL-E, you can create stunning images and sell them on stock photo sites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. 4. Print-on-demand books. Earn royalties without writing a word. This is a goldmine in the passive income world that almost nobody talks about. With Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, you can sell journals and planners, fitness logs, gratitude journals, habit trackers, puzzle and activity books, Sudoku, crosswords, brain teasers, coloring books. AI-generated designs can make this easy. 5. Passive crypto staking. Earn while you sleep. If you've been hearing about crypto staking but don't fully understand it, let's break it down. What is crypto staking? Instead of letting your crypto sit in a wallet doing nothing, you can stake it to help secure a blockchain network. In return, you earn rewards, kind of like earning interest on savings. Top cryptos for staking and their returns. Ethereum, 4 to 6%. APY, Solana, 7 to 10%. APY, Cardano, 5 to 7%. APY, Polkadot, 10 to 15%. APY. Final thoughts. Start building passive income. The biggest mistake people make? Waiting. You don't need thousands of dollars. You don't need years of experience. You just need to start. Drop a comment. Which of these passive income models are you starting today? Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We're dropping step-by-step breakdowns of these money-making methods soon. This is MoneyMatic Masters, helping you achieve financial freedom one step at a time.